my fellow modelers, and welcome to Model Restorations. So I just want to do a quick update on the naked model build. So here it is. It's an 81 Camaro. And so what I've done, I've actually used the decals from this Morgan Shepherd kit and the Sheer Wine soft drink. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So we don't even have this in Washington State. So I've never really heard of Sheer Wine soft drink. And so yeah. So I used those decals. Actually turned out not too bad. I have a little spot right in here that I'm going to have to add a decal or something. Other than that, and I still need to come in and cut the doors out in these areas. But I just got these on last night, so it's really not complete. And built a little roll bar for it. That's about it. Did the interior. Let's see if you can see that or not. I tried to do it kind of a black and red theme. And then went over it with wash to try to get it to look a lot more realistic, and pretty happy with it. Not too bad. So these wheels are not on here. This is just mock-up right now. I'm not even sure I'm going to go with these. I may go with more of a NASCAR look on it. I really like how the hood turned out. I do have some issues here, and it may just be the kit. The hood is just a little too tight right through here, so I'm gonna have to sand it down a little bit. Let's see, but it kind of turned out that way to try to get this. I was trying to get this nose piece to line up just right, and in the process, it kind of made this hood just a little tight. Nothing going on back there yet. Like I said, here's the other side, and that's about it for now. So what I'm thinking is this is gonna be kind of this number 17's buddy right here. He's together, not always in the same class, but I really wanted it to look like that one, so at least, you know, just a later version. So that's what I'm kind of going for. Still have a lot of little things, you know, like I need to come in here and wax this white paint. I think that's going to really, there's a lot of just fingerprints and stuff on it right now, so I'm hoping I get some little bit of shine out of there. I need to add some padding to the roll bar. I'm going to add a couple verticals, and then one that comes across so I can tie the I have a racing seatbelt harness that comes over here, and I want to be able to tie that into the roll bar. So that is it, guys. I appreciate you guys all watching, and the next update on this one will be a final. All right, guys, I hope you have a happy new year and safe travels, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.